social distance, stay at home, self-isolate. These are lovely new terms that we have in 2020, but what happens if you're a shift worker? What happens if you get paid per hour? What happens if you just want that additional extra income during this ridiculously stressful times? Look, it's great that some companies are allowing employees to work from home, but clearly this doesn't apply to everyone, and let's be honest, we could all use a little extra cash. So today, I'm going to show you 10 different ways that you can earn income whilst being stuck at home. Let's do this. Hey, welcome to another episode of Talking Tech with the Techie Guy. My name's Liron Segev, where I make tech simple. If you're into phones, gadget, apps, tips and tricks and how to, hit that subscribe button and let's get on to today's show. So some of these are going to be quick and easy cash options, and some of those are going to be more of a long-term career thing. Who knows, maybe you love working from home and it's something that you want to explore for the future. Okay, let's do this. So let's start on good old Amazon. Yes, Amazon has a job section. Go to amazon.jobs and then you'll come upon this particular website. You want to look for the option that's called the remote career. Click on that button and now it shows you about the virtual location. First thing I would do is on the left hand side, scroll all the way down, scroll until you see the option called work from home. Let's filter that out. So now it's only going to show you the jobs which require you to work from home. Now, the next thing I would probably do is stick it to your country specifically, tick that box, just so that you get jobs in the language that you can actually understand. Otherwise, you get languages from around the world, because of course, Amazon is pretty much global. And there are lots and lots of jobs with descriptions, basic qualifications, featured qualifications, and you can simply scroll all the way to the top and then hit the apply button. Simple, easy, find it now. So next up is a company called testingtime.com. Essentially what they do is they offer a service so people can test their website, their surveys, their interviews, their processes, etc. And you can become part of it. Go to the top, click on become a tester, and here it will show you the kind of products that you'll be testing. It shows you that it will do it via Skype. You can earn up to 50 euros per hour, which really isn't so bad, but just simply going through the motions of testing a website or a survey. It shows you how it works. You sign it up. They provide you a couple of jobs offer, and then you choose which one you want to accept. You test it, and then you get paid. Brilliant. So if you're a gamer, how would you like to get paid for testing games? Go to game-tester.net. It's a part-time job. You can earn between $50 and $150 per hour to play games. Yes, that is correct. To play games, you test the games, you get paid. What's the catch? Well, the catch is that they only have limited slots per day. So get in there, find a day that a slot is available, fill in the form, select your country. I suppose they're going to tailor-made the experiences based on your location, fill in a bit of information and get testing. Okay, let's get a little bit more serious. Go to jobspresso.co, and this is for people who want to work remotely from anywhere. So what you do is you get to the website, click on browse jobs. Now the first thing I would do is I would choose a category and choose it as freelance if you want to do it just as a temporary basis. And there it's going to basically list all the jobs that are available. So here's one for a copy editor. So why not give that a go? Another great website is a website called remote.com. So the clue is in the title. This is where you get to work from anyone, anywhere, and essentially this is what they focus on this particular website. Now it does sound a bit complicated, this whole remote working, but that's okay. Go to the top, click on filters. Here it gives you some option to narrow it down. You can say I only want to see remote only jobs because, well, basically we're stuck at home, so nothing else we can do. What kind of things do you want? Do you want a contract? Do you want a part-time? Maybe whilst this blows over, you need something quick. So it would just basically filter out the results, giving you something interesting to look at. Who knows? See if there's something you can pick up there as well. So this one's kind of cool. Go to swagbucks.com. And here you actually get gift cards just for filling in some surveys, watching some videos, and providing some feedback. So whilst you're trying to kill time and you're stuck at home anyway, why not earn some good old gift cards? Can help pay for some of that toilet paper and groceries. Oh, I really like this website. It's called weworkremotely.com. Now this is for both the serious career changes, if you want to permanently work from home, as well as for those who are just looking for some part-time things, maybe some contract-based options. So under the categories, select contract. I'm going to show you what I mean. Click on that and look at the very top one, online English teacher, work from home. Click on that. And then we go, 600,000 students in China need to be taught English and $22 an hour. You don't even have to speak Chinese. If you fill that qualification, boom, there's a job that you can do right now. Another website called Tellit.hubstaff.com. Now, again, this is for those who are looking for remote working, which is what we're all about. We're stuck at home. We want to earn some income. Click on browse so you can see the type of jobs that they have, but you want to look out for this thing, this little symbol saying remote job, remote job. Those are the ones that you're going after, because those are the ones that obviously require you to travel. Filter it out, select certain criteria, how much you want to get paid, and then that will kind of determine whether it's a part-time thing, a full-time thing, and how many hours you got to commit to. Find a job, maybe you can do some data entry and earn some money. Another one of these epic websites is called TryMyUI.com. UI stands for user interface, and essentially this company offers a service where people can test their websites, can test their apps, can test their surveys, so you can become one of those testers. Click at the top, the option that you can sign up, get paid to test. It will give you a whole bunch of information. You get $10 for each test that you take. It takes about 20 minutes. And then on the right hand side, it's got basically how they actually do this. So again, sign up to this one. Sign up to all of them. Give it a bash. Get the jobs into your mailbox and pick and choose the one that makes absolute sense for you and get paid. That's what it's all about. Getting some income when you're stuck at home. Now, if you've heard the term mystery shopper, this is a website for you. BestMarcom. Now, this does require you to go physically into a store. And essentially what a mystery shopper is that they give you a task. You go into a shop, you buy the ingredients, you buy the items that are on your list, and then you basically report back. How was it? How was the customer experience? Did you find the product easily? All of those kind of questions will come in. The catch is you got to live in the US and the territories in order to physically go into the store. So now with everything that's going on, if you do need a bit of venturing out, well, you might as well get paid to do that, right? So not recommended, but in case you do, it is here available for you. Hopefully you've picked up some golden nuggets in those websites. Check out some of these other videos around similar kind of topics. Hit the head below to subscribe. If this is your first time here, give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you guys in one or two of those videos. You can watch both. That's fine too. Let's go.